Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making the best super moist sweet potato pound cake. Yes guys, it is absolutely delicious and I know you guys are going to love it. If y'all are not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop me a comment. Let's jump right into this video. So we are putting our butter and sugar together. I just transferred this to my mixer. I'm gonna work smarter here, not harder. So I am going to cream the butter with the sugar until it is nice and fluffy and there are hardly any grains of sugar in there, okay? So after it is nice and fluffy, I went ahead, I baked my sweet potatoes and I pureed it nice and smooth, get rid of all that string, and you are going to add that to the cream butter. Now, and if you're using a mixer like this, just make sure you stop it and you scoop the sides down ever so often, okay? And you're gonna mix everything well until it is really well combined. All right, so now we are going to add our eggs, and we are going to do that one at a time. And then we're going to add some really good vanilla extract, guys. All right, we're going to save our dry ingredients, and then we are going to add that to the mixture a little bit at a time, because you want a really creamy batter. You can go ahead and add half cup of buttermilk. Make sure that it is at room temperature and you shake that up before you pour it in your mixture, okay? So the mixture is nice and light, and you know this is going to be one fluffy sweet potato cake. Awesome. And then we are going to bake in a 350 degrees oven for 1 hour 10 minutes. If you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean, it is done. I just went ahead and add some glaze to it, add some nuts over. I leave the ingredients for the glaze I made in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, guys, like, share, drop me a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.